In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see location report in Google Ads. If you've ever wondered which cities, regions, or countries are actually driving your results, the location report is where you'll find those answers. It helps you understand where your ads are being seen and engaged with, so you can make smarter decisions about targeting and budget. Start by opening your Google Ads account and look to the left side of the screen. Click on Campaigns in the left sidebar. This takes you into the Campaigns workspace, where you manage performance and settings. As soon as you're in Campaigns, a more detailed left pane appears with additional options. From that pane, select Locations. This is the dedicated area for all location-based insights tied to your current selection. At the top of the Locations page, you'll see the list of locations you've added for the campaign or campaigns you've selected. These could be entire countries, specific regions, cities, or even radius targets around a point on the map, depending on how you set things up. Make sure you're looking at the correct campaign selection, because the locations shown are based on what you've chosen to view. Below that list, the page displays performance details organized by each location. To dive deeper, click on any targeted location in the list. When you do, a statistical table appears showing performance data for that specific area, as long as there's data available. This table commonly includes metrics such as impressions, clicks, click-through rate, average cost, cost per click, and conversions if you're tracking them. It's a straightforward way to see which locations are contributing the most and where you might be paying more for fewer results. If you don't see numbers yet, don't worry. New campaigns or newly added locations may need time to gather enough activity to display meaningful data. Also, remember that the data reflects your current campaign selection and time frame, so the view will align with whatever you're analyzing in the interface. That's really all there is to it. Click Campaigns, choose Locations in the left pane, review the list of locations you've added, and then click a targeted location to view the detailed table of stats tied to that area. Once you get comfortable checking this report, it becomes a reliable pulse check for your geographic performance, helping you identify strong markets and areas to refine. And there you go. Now you know exactly how to see the location report in Google Ads.